Hey sewing friends, me again. Are you tired of me yet? I might be getting tired of me. Today is day 24. I'm Alice Murray with Murr-made Designs, where I'm attempting 365 days of sewing makes, and we have made it to day 24 unscathed. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Please share this video. I appreciate it. I truly do. And today, I want to show you something a little bit different. Every day is a little bit different, isn't it? I want to show you, this is a free downloadable pattern. It's called Colette. The company's Colette, and the pattern is called Sorberto. It's kind of shiny in that envelope. Let me just take that out. Sorbeto top. And I'll show you the line drawings. It's just a little top. You can make it with sleeves or sleeveless. And it has a placket, kind of a pleat, a double pleat down the front. It has bust darts. And this is my version. I made it out of 1 meter of quilting cotton. So this is one of my marvelous 1 meters. It has this placket down the front. I added, of course, some darts to the back. And I got this material from Beavercreek Mercantile in Caroline here. Fabulous quilting store, the best. And it's got little bits of gold in it. I don't know if you can see that. When I first made this pattern, I felt like the neckline was kind of too big. But the beautiful thing about quilting cotton is the more you wash it, the more you wear it, the softer it gets, and the better, it kind of fits. So I made this, I think I made this top in July, and so maybe 3 months ago, and I've worn it quite a bit. It's a great, great summer top, great kicking around the farm kind of thing. I love the color. I love the bright pink. I think that's a very pretty color. And yeah, so I've worn it a lot and washed it a lot. So I actually like it quite a bit better than when I first made it. And this is the very first downloadable free pattern that I've made. And free is good. I like free. If you're making 365 of anything, you're going to want some free in there, I can tell you. So free is good. The pattern was excellent, good instructions. But the way these downloadable patterns work is you print them out and then cut them out and tape them together. And that's all well and fine, but this pattern took 50 pages, like 50 pieces of paper to print out. And that seemed like a lot to me. So what I'm going to, so I've printed out a couple, but what I'm going to do with some other ones that I have downloaded, and I have bought a couple of downloadable patterns too. Really nice top for my husband, I hope I get to. But I'm going to try having them printed at some place that has, one of those big printers, and see what the cost of that is. So yeah, I think that I would like to make this again, and I think next time I might want to make it out of something that is a woven, but not a quilting cotton, something a little more drapey, because in the picture on the pattern here, it appears to be a drapier pattern or material, although they do say that you can definitely make it from quilting cotton, and I did. The size of this pattern is 0 to 26. So a wide range of sizes in it. So if you are a beginning sewer, or even if you're an experienced sewer, and you're looking for, you just want to try something and you don't want to get too invested in your sewing while you're figuring out if you like it or not, I would suggest trying some free downloadable patterns. I think they work good. And my grateful thread today is old friends. I am so grateful for my old friends. And you know who you are. You're probably listening. And they support you, support me in everything I do. And I've known them since I was in school. Just a little gaffer. And we've just stayed friends over the years. And old friends are great friends. So I am very, very grateful for you, my dear old friends. And not that we're old. We're not old. But I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Do you have some old friends you're grateful for? I'd love to hear. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Bye for now.